Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Moses here again. So today we are going to be taking a very quick route tour along Asaba-onitsha Express. So I'm gonna be showing you what this road looks like, and again the most interesting part is that I'm going to be showing you a drone view of the second Niger Bridge in Onitsha and the link road. The construction is already been, like, it's not yet done, it's not fully done, but the construction are still ongoing. So I want to take you on a road trip to show you what Asaba-onitsha Express looks like. It's not so clean, guys. It's unkept. The road is unkept, I will not lie. Everywhere is looking so unkept. It's supposed to be more clean than this. So but the interesting part is the second Niger Bridge, which I'm heading to go and show you guys. They walk so far there, and some of the abandoned side of the project, because what we are seeing right now is is not what we expected before. Where the link road supposed to take is not where it's taking right now, and according to some people, which is not a verified information though, some people say that the money for the construction is too much, and I don't understand why some are saying it has not been awarded yet. That's why they are taking another route to link the bridgehead. So guys, here is called the Oko Market. This place is called the Oko Market, the popular Oko Market in Asaba, and here is their main entrance gate. So we are still heading to the second Niger Bridge. One thing I love about the old bridge, than the new bridge is that the old bridge is secured with with protector. You hardly witness, even it can happen, you hardly witness anything like the car or any vehicle falling into the river or any such. You can't hear that, because the both sides of the road is protected with enough gathers. The bridge is protected, unlike the second Niger Bridge. The second Niger Bridge is not protected at all. It's just empty, it's just open. So as we are heading there, guys, let's continue watching. So right now we are heading towards the link road that links to the bridge. The link road that link to the second Niger Bridge, that's where we are heading right now. They link it from the main express. This is the main express, the old main express. They link it from the main express to the bridge instead of the normal route they're supposed to take. So they are linking it from this main express to the second Niger Bridge. Normally this place is a very busy route. It's a very busy road. As you can see, we are having traffic jam somehow. It's a very busy road. This road can only be free during the time of maybe on Sundays or Saturday. That's when this road is free. So it's a very busy road. This is the only Asaba-onitsha Express. So here is the link road. The link road that links to the second Niger Bridge is being newly constructed, because according to them, the previous one they wanted to take has not been awarded by the federal government. That's why they have to make an alternative to link it through here. That is the road over there. From there you can head to the bridge, to the new bridge. So, and currently we are on top of the first Niger Bridge, which I love so much because of the protected gather that surrounded the bridge. So that's one thing I love about the first Niger Bridge. Over there is the second Niger Bridge. I'll be showing you the drone view of the bridge and other things. As you can see, this is the first Niger Bridge. You can see how everywhere is protected with gather and other things. Vehicles can not easily like fall off from here. It's not possible. Even if big lorries and big traders, they cannot fall off from here. So guys, this is the drone view of the second Niger Bridge. Here is the drone view. Watch and tell me what you think about this bridge. You have seen the first one, this is the second one. Watch through, tell me what you think about this second Niger Bridge, guys. Let's go.
Hold my breath just so I can hold you closer. Hold my heart just so I can feel it break. I'm a lot, but I would never be a loner. To never love in all of my days. Bleed is my darkest, love is the hardest. But faster, faster, faster I go. Gold in my pocket, I made a promise. And harder, harder, harder I hold. Love while I can't love it till my love runs out. Give while I can't give it till I hit the ground. Never love myself enough to let it down. I love until I'm never the count. I love until I'm never the count. I love until I'm never the count. The water pull me deep under the current, but I won't let myself come on up for air. Get too much even though you never earned it. Sometimes I wish that I didn't care. Bleed is my darkest, love is the hardest. But faster, faster, faster I go. Gold in my pocket, I made a promise. And harder, harder, harder I hold. Love while I can't love it till my love runs out. Give while I can't give it till.
So this bridge is linked to all the way down to Oba Idemili, Idemili bus stop in Anambra State. People that are traveling to Owerri cannot have their own bus in Asaba Delta State. They can take this route all the way down to Idemili bus stop, then head to Oba, then from there to Owerri. So this road links to Anambra State. It links to Oba, to Idemili bus stop, and it also links to Oba Idemili and Oba in Anambra State and other places. So people that are traveling to Owerri from Asaba don't have to go down to Onitsha again to go and book their own vehicle anymore. They can take their own movement from here till they get to wherever they are heading to, and they don't even have to bus out to Opiweka before they can continue their journey. This road links to Idemili bus stop. From there you head to Owerri, so no need of busing out to to Opiweka anymore. So that's where this bridge actually links out. So guys, tell me what you think about this second Niger Bridge to the first one. What do you think about the only difference I found out about the two of them is this second one is more wider than the first one, but in terms of the durability, the protection and the other things, the first one is more protected than this one. I don't know if there's any other thing that is gonna be added to it other than this one that I'm seeing right now. So guys, don't forget to drop below the comment section what you think about this second Niger Bridge to the first one. So that is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and thank you for staying with me. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you love what you are doing, keep sharing the videos to other people so they can see. Also click on the thumb up button and also click on the notification bell so you get notified each time we publish a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a lovely day. Peace out.